Okay, let's open the Lingo Kids app. So as you can see here, it's from the Oxford University Press and won as the #1 interactive apps for their children. So allow lang to send updates. So it's either you have an already have an account or new at Lingo Kids. So for my demonstration, I will use the new at Lingo Kids. So there are 2,000 plus irresistible games, songs, and shows with no ads. Also, this is a kid safe COPA certified. Okay, I am new at Lingo Kids. So, how do you want to get started? It could be personalized or play now. Nga magdula lang siya. So, I would use the personalized. So, how old is the kid? So, it's either 3. So the ages is from 1 to 9. Okay, next. What should your kid focus on? So these are the subjects or mga kuan na ma-cover sa Lingo Kids nga dula. So I would choose English, math, literacy, life skill, technology, art, science, and music. Okay, so next. So dili naman ta mag premium no kay very expensive. 2,694 a year. So, dili man takuan ka na niya kay nice magyapon siya no kay a year man sad. So, di man sad matagdan gyud. So, kung gusto pud mo nga premium, it can be premium pero pwede mo gyapon ta mag-skip kay maka-access mo gyapon siya. So, parents email, this is good. So, ma-implement din siya dani nga part pod. Kung every parent sa bata nga nasa sulod sa imong classroom is na phone, so mo ni imong ipakuan sila then ilang email mo imong ipabutang kay para maila po makita kung sa mga development sa bata or sa mga activities nga nabuhat sa bata. Kay dani man mag-updates na sign up to get progress updates imong mga progress sa imong learners. Okay, we'll share their achievements and tips to help them grow daw. Okay, so sign in. Please check your email. Open my mail app. So this is not just for parents but also for teachers, no? Especially karon is nanay sa classroom is integrated na ang technology. Nanay technology integration since namo po yung mga ano sa sulod sa classroom may mga TV and all. So mo to log in my open na to tong account. Then okay nagbalik na siya sa apps. See, it's won a Kids Screen Award, #1 interactive game. So, as usual, tuloy na. Skip ra gyapon ta. So, naa na. There is health, spelling, dinosaurs, animals, clothes, division, design, kitchen skills, and body parts. And also, muna siya ang mga characters. Si Pocoyo, si Blippi, si ano, si Gamebot, dagan kayo sila, no? So, lessons, dapat tayo for kining lessons, nana siya ganda ni sneak peek para sa overall na ni siya nga lessons or natun-an sa bata. The alphabet from A to Z, trick or treating safety, say hello in Spanish. So this could say hello in Spanish can help the language development sa bata, sharing for social skills, walking with dinosaurs in partnership with BBC Earth. So if I'm not mistaken, ano ni siya, geographic or okay, numbers 1 to 10 for mathematics, nutrition for health nila nga development, wash your hands for health gyapon, daily routines, it could be for self-independent, na yun reading and spelling for their literacy, additional subtraction for mathematics. Okay, so mag-open sa ta diri og so mo ni siya daytod ang mga pag naka-premium na ka, so ma-access na nimo ni siya diri nga mga games. Okay. Nice siya no kay nice sorting, na astronomy para sa science or para sa space, sorting mo ni siya katong ano siya, imo na siyang i-puzzle-puzzle. Routines, astronomy na siya sa space, kitchen skills, speaking skills, nice. Nice yun siya kay na siya audio. Problem solving, dinosaurs, additions, curiosity, emotions, counting. So, ma-access ra gyapon siguro nato ni nga time pag everyday man gud kay gala ga-improve iyang mga lessons tani. So, kini kay nagbalik mo kog uninstall it or gigamit lang gyapon ako ang akong Gmail. So, probably basing na-access ra gyapon to niya or nakuha ra gyapon niyang record sa akong toddler didtong niagi nga mga dula. Okay, so let's try the health. Tiguon lang na imo ang panda sa spelling na ang panda. Common naman gud ang health. Dress sa spelling.
Bugs.
Okay.
Tap to start.
Tap to start. Tonight, kapag siya kanay mga
Let's find beetles.
find the beetle. So, nice siya. And very interactive din siya nga app. Maybe. Okay.
Beetle.
So, kada isa ka beetle, na siya ka na equivalent siya sa isa ka letters nga naa sa spelling. So, spelling mo siya, spelling letter
Beetle.
development. Next station, no?
Beetle.
Oh, dili ka na
Oops.
beetle.
We don't want that.
Oh, see, don't want that. That's not a beetle, that's a no. Naka-differentiate
Beetle.
pa gini ang bata, no? Galing,
Jump
okay.
over the boulders.
Oh, jump over the boulders. Yeah, so we only need 2 more. So, according sa
Beetle.
kung ano ni is, kung mamamit mo na siya, makomplete na mo siya ang mga letters, lain po na ni mo sa ipaply sa imo. Pero sa
Jump
iyong
over the
spelling.
boulders.
Okay,
Beetle.
finish na siya. Oh, next is
Let's
add
find
subhead
ants.
and then so on. Okay. So, na-unlock na ko siya. Ma-unlock na, kinabalik na sa ta sa health. So, dili din na today hindi siya ma-unlock na pod o mag-lockdown
It looks like our friends need to have a wash. Select a character. It's bath time. First, let's brush her teeth.
Brush your teeth. Step by step na water,
Now rinse
soap.
her mouth.
So, pag ito siya, water, soap, shower, and blower. Okay, not nose naman. So, let's try another very interactive. So, nanon po siya dinosaur. Okay, nice kayo siya, di ba? Nagaon. Dagan kayo siya. Kuan, nagaon kitchen skills and body parts. Napunta siya dito theater or mga videos. For example, imuhang learners is gikapoy siya og dula or kadto nga mga ano. So, pwede rin nimo sila pagtan-awo, patan-awo. So, this is good for motivation pod. So, there is a video is na social skills, life skills, social skills, communication, social skills, sessions, well-being, relationships, flexibility and diversity, curiosity, cultural celebration, social skills. So, ma-open lang din mo siya o naka-premium naka. Pero, kini lang siya, try na ka isa. Okay. For social skills.
Hey, Baby Bot, let's race.
Pag siya yung
First one round the tree wins. Okay. You will catch me. I'm the best at running. Ugh. Beginner's luck. Baby Bots, back your tails. I'm the best at throwing.
For only 3 minutes. So, pag na-open na po ng isa, ingan, argi po ng so on. Then, another na po the lesson sa sneak peek, alphabet. So, let's try the sneak peek. Ingani siya, diri lang tataplo ka natin.
It's time for a new lesson.
Okay. And then, so, okay, now let's keep going. And then, go on. Okay. Time to eat, set the table, let's dig in, cook and kuan, mao man ni siyang ipa-open nimo. So let's try the time to eat, set up, set the table. Ay, let's go in. I think,
Complete all units to unlock your certificate.
okay. So balik ta dani sa knowledge check,
Let's start a new lesson.
knowledge check. Okay, so
Help Lisa bring the lost cat back to its home. Tap the screen to start.
lost
Here
cat
we
back
go.
to their home.
Tap here to move. Nice driving.
Okay. So nice kay siya no, kaya na siya instruction for kids.
Where should we recycle yogurt pots?
Where you should recycle your cups.
Way to go. Plastic
This is very
bin.
nice, no? Okay. Nagpatay. Nasa mga star. I guess dapat gawa na itong mga star.
Bonus time.
Nasa mga question, it could be real life skills or health and other development sa bata.
Tap on the unhealthy lunch.
Oh, unhealthy lunch. Which is unhealthy lunch?
This is the
Burger.
way. Cheeseburger.
Eat that's healthy yapon. Kay unhealthy lunch man. Makasabot sa bata.
Bonus time.
Lagabi ko siya maka-injure ko. Bisan ako maka-injure ko. Hindi akong baby ganahan. Hindi lang. I mean, akong toddler.
R is for rabbit. Tap the letter R.
Tap the letter R for the
This is
letter
the way. R.
So nice, no? So, ganahan na dito lang.
Start time.
So, for example, you can play the kids na nasa room by group mo siya for their application by group mo sila then individual isa sila mag-adto sa front para magdula kulihanay. Okay, so naara di ang
We made it. Wow, look at how far you've come.
Okay, next na. Sneak peek. Reading and literacy, 2 units and 2 challenges. So, same gipandani ang kining alphabet and other. So, I guess wala pa na.
Glad to see you. Let's jump back in.
Okay na po siya. QR, identify and connect. So, na-open siya, anam. Antod sa makomplete nimo, then makuha na din nimo ang certificate. So, kung makomplete nimo siya tamang dani, mo rin ma-open na din itong let's keep going. Dahil nga napa din siya continue, which is for the health. Let's dig in, cook, eat, and clean, sing, shop, song, healthy song, what's in our antod sa makuha nimo ni ang certificate na din siya progress check. Hindi mo progress check dayon kung pa-finish ni sa bata, tigto na po dayon siya mag-chat na dayon sa email. Nga mao ni ang lessons nga na-learn sa bata, man iyang progress.
Look how much you've learned. Keep it up.
Okay, so nice kid siya. Then for the last one is the family time. So manini siya ang mga dula nga think together. So na siya animal shapes, additions, dinosaurs, vehicles, buildings, addition, measuring, addition asad, shape, subtraction, addition, and all. So, kuan gini ang play with BP, literacy, math, English for the literacy. So, daghan kay siya na cover dani sa lesson. So, let's play the video. Dula, I mean. Let's open.
How many animals can you stack? Skunk.
These are the nocturnal animals.
Mouse.
another Nasaga player.
Spider.
Player
Bat. Raccoon. Toad.
Dig together kay para the more nga taas, the more
To continue, ask a
That's all for today, little buddy. Ask a grown-up for help or come back tomorrow.
See. So, ma-unlock na po siya after 7 hours. Dili nga na after 12 hours. So, according to some research man jud is, ang bata is, na lang siya 1 hour per day na mag-screen time. So, ang kining 1 hour per day niya, it could be nga, imo na siyang hation or hation sa teacher. Kaya di ba pwede nga isa ka oras continue nga mag-cellphone na ang bata. So, it could be 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Inya na lang siya. So, money siya mga tula. No, dagan pa siya. Hindi na ako ni So, that's all for the Linga Kids.